Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of drag racing to talk about a trailblazing figure in the sport, Ashley Force Hood. She's one of the most recognizable names in the world of NHRA, National Hot Rod Association, drag racing, and she's made a lasting impact both on and off the track. So let's take a closer look at her journey, accomplishments, and legacy in the sport of drag racing. Ashley Force Hood was born on November 29th, 1982, in Yorba Linda, California. She comes from a racing family. Her father, John Force, is a legendary figure in drag racing, known for his numerous NHRA funny car championships. With racing running in her veins, Ashley was practically destined for the track. Ashley's passion for the sport grew up alongside her, and after graduating from Cal State Fullerton with a degree in communications, she made her way into the racing scene. Unlike some who may have faced pressure to follow in their family's footsteps, Ashley was driven by her own love for the sport and a desire to make her own name in it. Ashley Force Hood's professional racing career took off in 2005 when she joined the NHRA. She started as a driver for her father's racing team, driving a funny car, a category known for its incredible speed and intense competition. In her first year, Ashley was already making waves. She was the first woman to reach a final round in the funny car category at the NHRA event in Chicago. This performance was only the beginning, as she continued to break barriers and set records. By 2008, she made history again by becoming the first woman to win a funny car event in NHRA history, capturing a victory at the NHRA Asdelco Las Vegas Nationals. Throughout her career, Ashley Force Hood achieved multiple milestones, and one of her biggest came in 2009 when she won her first ever NHRA event. It was a victory that cemented her status as a powerhouse in the sport, gaining recognition not only for her racing skills, but also for her ability to inspire the next generation of female racers. In total, Ashley collected several wins throughout her career, and by the time she retired from competitive racing, she had achieved impressive results. She also became a fan favorite for her charismatic personality and determination to prove that women can excel in any male-dominated field. Ashley's career wasn't just about her racing prowess. She helped to elevate the visibility of women in motorsports, opening doors for many others who followed. After stepping away from racing in 2010, she shifted her focus to other ventures, including working for her father's team as a public relations representative. However, her legacy in drag racing is undeniable. Ashley Force Hood didn't just contribute to the sport as a driver. She helped pave the way for greater representation of women in a sport that had traditionally been dominated by men. Her achievements continue to inspire women and young girls everywhere to follow their passions, regardless of the obstacles they may face. In the end, Ashley Force Hood is much more than just a race car driver. She's a symbol of breaking boundaries and challenging expectations. She proved that with hard work, determination, and a little bit of grit, anyone can succeed, no matter their gender. Thanks for tuning in today. If you enjoyed learning about Ashley Force Hood and her incredible journey in drag racing, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content about trailblazing athletes and amazing stories from the world of sports. See you next time.